in J at FLA Less Lethal. Quick scenario, guys. Just got out of the shower, got dressed, heard some noises. It's hypothetical scenario now, just for science. Stepped out the shower, heard some rumbling at the front door in the kitchen. So, stepped out of the shower. Here's what I have in here with me. All right, I'm gonna shut this light off. Bathroom door light. I'm gonna open it very slowly. Light straight ahead. Got the green beam, laser beam. I'm gonna take this wall inside, turn it off. Hell of a light. I can see the green beam. I don't know if you guys can. This door's secure. All right. First. Now, if I just want the green beam, there's the front door. Light. Keep trying, keep moving, keep inspiring, keep helping, keep believing, keep dreaming, keep hoping, keep loving. You got this. Merry Christmas, everyone. Safety is always first for you and your family. Stay safe, everyone. Much love to all my Less Lethal family. Going to bed now. I know this room's secure. Wifey's in there. Anyways, sleep tight, everyone. I love this light, though. I'm going to do a review on it. It's a GP-V03, Go Plant V03. And I'll do a review on it later. Thanks, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.